Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. First, let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and ½ a teaspoon of salt. Whisk these ingredients together until they are well combined and set aside for later. This ensures even distribution in your cookies. Now let's move on to the wet ingredients. In a separate, large bowl, cream 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter until it's smooth. Then, gradually beat in 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 of a cup of packed light brown sugar. Continue mixing for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. This step is crucial for a tender cookie texture. With your butter and sugars creamed, it's time to incorporate the remaining wet ingredients. Beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then, gradually add your dry ingredient mixture, mixing until just combined. Finally, fold in 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats and 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips. Now for the best part, baking. Drop rounded tablespoons of your cookie dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving some space between each. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.